For about a week and a half, we've been advertising a pattern change coming our way, and that happens today. We're going to end our streak of 90-degree days at 6 because we're going to fail to reach 90 degrees this afternoon in Lincoln, with highs only in the mid-80s. Lots of clouds around right now. That's going to be the case as we go through the day today. There's also some light showers around the area as well. It's 71 degrees in Lincoln, 70 in Beatrice, 67 in Friend, 66 in York, and 67 degrees this morning in Columbus. You can see some of the showers that are moving through the area. At times we've had a few rumbles of thunder along US 30 between Grand Island and Columbus. Also now it looks like just one just to the southeast of there, north of York. These will keep pushing off to the east through the morning. We'll likely see some more showers as we go through mid to late morning as well. Right now around the city of Lincoln, just some very light showers, if more likely probably some drizzle or just some raindrops falling, with more down towards Saltillo south of town. Officially nothing in the rain gauge just yet in Lincoln. We officially had trace of rain, which doesn't count towards measurable rain just yet. So this is now the driest start to August through the first 14 days of the month on record since 1887. Now, as we go through the morning, again, those showers keep pushing eastward. We'll keep the chance in through noon, even early afternoon. I think there's probably going to be some breaks from the rain by mid to late afternoon before more rain starts to develop later on tonight through the overnight hours. We'll make it to 84 today in Lincoln, same in Seward, warmer down towards Beatrice, and even warmer down towards Hebron, where we get at 91, nearly 90 degrees in Hastings, and 85 today in Grand Island. Winds will be out of the east, at times gusting to 25 miles per hour. This evening, our temperatures dropping from the 80s into the 70s by 8 o'clock, eventually down into the 60s by morning. But notice later on tonight, we'll start to watch showers and thunderstorms developing mainly north of I-80. By 11 o'clock, these are towards Columbus. Then they'll start to move off to the south and southeast, moving out of here mainly by 7 o'clock in the morning, so it should not impact tomorrow morning's commute. Turning cooler on Tuesday, cloudy skies with a widely scattered shower possible through the day. Highs only in the mid-70s. 80 degrees on a Wednesday, 84 Thursday, but you'll notice temperatures remaining below normal. Our normal high temperature is 88 degrees. We'll get back to there perhaps by the 23rd and 24th of August, but boy, we've got some nice weather coming our way, at least from a temperature-wise. We could definitely use some rainfall, so some showers today wouldn't be a bad thing, or even tomorrow. And then this weekend right now, upper 70s to low 80s, that looks pretty good.